What's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Victor with another tutorial. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos that will come after this one. So in this tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can recover your deleted files. Suppose you have deleted your assignment, your videos, your movies by mistake from your USB drive, from your flash drive, or even your C drive. It is actually possible to recover this data. So for this process, I will be taking you throughout from the download of the software up to the installation as well as the recovery of data. Please don't skip any part of this video so that you can follow what's really happening. So the first thing that you are going to do is to download this software into your computer and then install it. But for me, I have the link here already, but for you guys, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can download. So after you copy the link from the description below, you are going to come and paste it on Google, and it will lead you exactly to my download site, to the Google Drive. So here are the contents of this file. You are going to click this download button and then you wait for it to download. Like here, you can check here at the bottom left corner, it's already downloading. You just wait a little while. Now that is done, you are going to navigate to the folder where it is downloaded, and then you cut and put it on the desktop where you can easily access it. Like now, paste. Now the second thing is to extract it to your desktop. Now that it is done, here are the installation guide, but it's not important because I'm gonna guide you here, so I don't need this file. So if you don't know how to install the software, this is how you will do on a Windows computer. You just right click and then run as administrator. It's gonna ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You're going to here say yes, and then install. Just wait a little while so that it can finish installing. The reboot required. Your computer must be restarted to finish. I want to reboot it later, but it's advisable for you to reboot it. So now that it is installed, you are going to look for the for this. Yeah, now here is my software recover. I'm just gonna double click on it and then yes. This wizard will help you to recover your deleted files. I don't care about it. Now next. Now this is the next page that will follow. So what we're gonna do here, I am going to go to my USB drive. Let's go to my USB drive and I'm going to format it first. Format, restore device defaults, yes. Now that it is done, you can see that here this is USB drive F and my size, and there is actually nothing in this folder. So what this software does, it actually recovers almost everything that was on this drive before even it was in my name, everything from the previous users. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this Excel, which is color file, and then cut it from my desktop and put it back and put it here. Paste. Same. Just refresh, and then now Now we're going to delete this file and we want to recover it. Right, now that is done. It's not also here on the desktop. So since it is a document, here on this wizard I'm going to choose what kind of files that I am going to recover. Now, are they pictures, music, documents, video, compressed? These compressed files, these are files in a zip format like this, where you need to extract, or emails, but here I know what I'm recovering, so I'm actually gonna go on the documents and then next. Now it's gonna ask you the location where you want to recover. This is search everywhere on this computer, on media card, or this is where you actually recover your deleted file from SD cards or some things like that, iPod or anything. And here in my documents, this is actually the folder that you find in your computer under my documents. This is the recycle bin. You can also recover files from your recycle bin. Now if you have, let's say you have a USB drive or an external drive, you just go here and click file location, or even C. This is C drive. This is my actually the hard drive of my computer, but now I'm gonna browse because I need my USB flash drive. So I'm gonna select here my USB flash drive and hit OK, and then I will start. Now you are going to click deep scan. When you select deep scan, it's gonna scan for everything, every document that was put on here. It's gonna try to recover any of those documents, but it doesn't mean that everything will be recovered. Some of the data is unrecoverable depending on the damage on it. So I'm just gonna click here and start the process. Now the process begins. This is actually a big hassle. So what I'm gonna do here, just gonna grab a cup of coffee and come back when it's done. So let's just wait for it. Right, we are back. Now that it is done, it still will automatically open this page for you where it shows you almost everything that was put on this drive since it was bought. So now you can see that these files with a green dot, it means that they can be recovered. You see the state is the data can be recovered. Excellent. Now this is unrecoverable data. As you can see, guys, this is very old stuff. Now we're in 2019 and this was 2015 data. If you keep on going down, you can see some of the green ones. These are docs. These, they can be recovered. As you can see, guys, there are no videos, there are no pictures, because I've selected if you remember, I've selected documents, so I'm gonna expect to see documents only here, no pictures, no videos, PDFs only, and docs and PowerPoint. So since that was the last file that I put, I expect it to find it actually on the top of it. Now you can see it was this one, the Excel format. Now I'm just gonna click to take this one, and then it will ask me recover here on the bottom right. Just click here and it's gonna ask you where you want to place this file. I want to put it in my USB drive again. Do you want to restore to the same drive? This can reduce the chance of successful recovery. I just say yes. Okay, now it's done. I'm just gonna close this and go back to check on my USB if my file is back. Yeah, you can see, guys, although the name is different. That time it was written caller, but it doesn't matter. Let's open and see. Yeah, it's actually my file. So that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time.